We may not survive. No. Jebediah. No. Jebediah. No. Survive. Hello, my fellow agents of the Backlog Bureau. Today we're back in Kerbal Space Program and seeing if we can get a spaceship in orbit and to stay in orbit. So let's get into it. Let's see. What did we have before we left off? Yeah, I think we should probably start with a clean slate. Let's get our command pod. Okay, we have some good fuel. Maybe not enough to get into orbit, but we'll see what we can find out. Let's get the... Okay, that's huge. Not gonna work. Let's get our parachute, as always. There's the parachute. These are both liquid fuel, but this is even bigger, so let's try and build more of those. Maybe even a little bit more. And then let's see what thruster we can use. This one. And do we have the decouplers? We do have the decouplers on the side, so let's do a 3 decoupler scenario. And then we'll add even more. We'll add the solid fuel ones now. Where are they? The engines. Yeah, I like the sound of these. Okay, and we need to add some aerodynamics to these ones. Okay, I'm liking the sound of these. Let's add some winglets to our main one, like so. Oh, we forgot to add the decoupler. So let's add a decoupler here as well. And we need to add some... Should we add the basic fins to these guys? I don't know if those are necessary, maybe not. Let's save those. Okay, we have a relatively competent looking spaceship for now. What else do we need? We need some way to transmit our data. We don't need 3 antennas, we only need 1. We can put it like this and we can rotate it like so. And then we need to get some sciencey stuff. So let's get a thermometer and let's get a barometer and let's get 3 of the mystery goose for redundancy. Okay. Guys, I think we're good. Let's try and name this the Backlog Mark. I think it's the Backlog Mark 4, if I remember correctly. Oh. And let's save our model. Okay. Yeah. I think we're ready. Let's try and see if we can get to orbit with this one. We're probably... Like, the thing I'm most afraid of is not the shipbuilding itself, is the actual maneuvering and, like, how much thrust I need to reach orbit and stuff like that. But for now, I think we are good for launch. Let's go and press launch in 3, 2, 1. Oh. We have a slight angle, but it's okay. And then we're gonna decouple once the fuel is over. In 3, 2, 1. Oh! Okay, that worked out horribly. we decoupled everything at the same time. I think we needed to like establish decoupling orders. So for now, let's use this time to maybe... What? Okay, log pressure data. Let's keep that for our... Okay, yeah, we already did that one. Does the temperature have anything interesting to add? Oh, it does. Okay, let's keep that experiment. Okay, for now, we're just gonna go back down and try again, guys. Nice. We touched down in the water so we can recover the vessel. Let's go. Some good science. Nice. Let's see if we can unlock anything new through science. 45, 45, 45, 45, and 45. Okay, so not yet. But let's go back to the vehicle assembly building and let's see if there's a way to do like... to plan the decoupling. I think there should be... Okay, that is the vertical decoupling, which should be in a league of its own. What is this? Oh, that's the second thruster. Yeah, so that's how it should work. I think that's basically the only change. Let's save that again. And let's go to launch and try again. Okay, in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Hopefully the next step, we're only gonna decouple the solid fuel boosters. Let's do that. And then let's slowly raise the thruster. Oh. Okay, bye. Thrusters. See you later. Everything worked at the same time. That was not good. Let's just... let's just time warp again. We'll try again. Or we can just probably try again. Revert flight, yeah. Revert to launch. What am I doing wrong? Can I adjust these? I can. Okay, so the thruster for this one probably needs its own stage. Maybe. And then the decoupler also needs its own stage before the parachute. Maybe. Let's try that again. And let's see how that works. Okay, why are we always going at a slight angle? Not loving that, but it's okay. Look at that exhaust. Nice, guys. We have a meteor rocket now. Let's drop those. Oh, okay. It's okay. It's okay. And let's activate the engine. Let's open the map view. Okay, I think this is gonna be important for us. We can probably shut down the engine now. And then trying to readjust. Let's see, how do we readjust? Okay, we can readjust like this. Let's try and do exactly half. Oh, I don't know how to maneuver this, guys. Is there a way to tell it like, oh, aim for this purple thing? Oh, no. No. What is going on? What is this? Oh, we can tell it, aim for the purple guy. Is that how it works? Aim for the purple guy. I don't know what the purple guy is, but aim for them. What is this? Are we in orbit? I don't know, guys. Let's check out our map view. Okay, we got a ways away, but we're probably gonna go back down somewhere along the mountains, I guess. Okay, that was interesting. A lot to learn. Let's check out our goo. We probably already have that mystery experiment. We do. Let's check out our thermometer. We probably already have that too. We do. So the only thing we have left is the pressure data. Okay, let's keep that and let's go full on with the warp. And hopefully we can survive. Yeah, Jebediah, tell us. Okay, we're going to try this again. Let's recover our vessel. We got a little bit more science from that barometer reading. Nice. Okay. What do we want to try again? I think we need to learn if there's a way to like establish a point on the map and aim for that point, regardless of how that moves. So let's see, because I'm liking the way our rocket is constructed right now. I feel like it's pretty lean in a way. So let's try that. I think it's more our maneuvering that is the problem, not really the rocket design. So let's see if we can maybe use the map to like get some extra information. RCS, SAS. What are those? Ooh, maneuver tool. What is that? Position. Interesting. Okay, our fuel. Okay, no, let's go back. Let's do the launch again. And let's check out the map view to see what is going on. Okay, we're going good. We're going good. Let's check out our orbit. We want to do a little bit of an even further rise. So let's do that. Let's check out the map view. Okay, we're getting there. We're getting there. Look at our little... Now let's shut down the engine for now. And let's check out if we can do something like... Oh, like I want to extend our orbit. I don't know if we can like aim for that. Yes, yes, that looks so much better. Okay. And then once we're perfectly horizontal, no, we can activate the engine again. Is that working? Oh. I don't know if we're high enough though. I don't know if we're high enough, but it looks good. It is looking good. Oh. I'm liking the sound of this, guys. Oh. It looks like we're creating an orbit. Oh. We ran out of fuel, guys. We're gonna crash all the other way. But look, we have a really good orbit now. It's not a full orbit. We're gonna crash somewhere around the other side of the planet. But it's pretty cool, guys. We were able to reach further than we've ever reached. There's our little space program station. Jebediah, looking pretty awesome. Let's do an EVA now. Yeah. Look at us. That's us. Or well, that's Jebediah. Let's go back in. Board back in. Jebediah, you good? Nice. Okay, so maybe we can record something now. Okay, no, we already have that. Do we already have the pressure? We do. Okay, I don't know how we can get even more science, but for now we're gonna keep grinding with what we have. Let's do extra warp. Oh, look, we're turning. Yeah, we want to get rid of our fuel. They don't help us for nothing. And let's keep warping. Okay. We're going to crash somewhere that's really dark, guys. Oh, our hull is taking damage. We may not survive. No. Jebediah. No. Jebediah. No. Survive. Please. You're almost there. I don't know where you're gonna land. I don't know if you even have the parachute alive. You do. Jebediah, it's looking good. That was scary, but you're looking good. I don't even know if we're gonna land in the ocean or in land. I don't even know where we are. Jebediah, you're gonna be good. We're gonna send our best pilots to rescue you. Oh, look. Is this like a huge... Is that the ocean or like a huge plane, maybe? Oh, that was our fuel canister, I think. Okay, we lost some data. But it's okay. We got Jebediah back. And that's what matters. Let's recover the vessel. I wonder how we can get extra science, though. We need to keep improving our rockets if we ever want to reach further. Let's see, we need to go back to the ship design because we need more fuel. We already have a lot of liquid fuel stacked up, guys. So I don't know if we should get even more, maybe? Let's see. I don't know if that's gonna kill our aerodynamics, but we're gonna try and add a couple more, maybe 3 more. I don't know if that's just horrendous ship design. Just a long stick. Let's call it long stick Mark 1. This is our new design. So let's save that and let's... What else can we do? I think we're ready for launch, guys. Let's do another try, and if we run out of fuel again, we're gonna try again. Okay, we're ready for the solid fuel boosters. Okay, slowly but surely. The wind resistance is getting to us. Okay, we can drop those. And we can put the throttle to the max. And then keep rising. And then let's look at our map. Oh, sorry. Okay. We want to keep rising. Let's see, how much should we aim for? I think we can probably aim for around a little bit over a half of the liquid fuel spent rising up. Maybe like a 60 or something. Okay. Okay, we can keep maybe rising a little bit more. And then let's shut down our engine. And let's reposition that way. There it is. And then let's activate the engine again. And let's see. Oh, guys, looking good. We're gonna be able to reach orbit soon if our liquid fuel can survive the task. We have a lot more fuel, so we should be good. Okay, it's looking good, guys. We're gonna be either barely making it, or it's not gonna be enough like the last time. Almost there, guys. Almost there. Almost there. I think we did it, guys. Let's shut down the engine. I think we have an orbit. I mean, that looks good. I don't know if we can make the whole trip and not risk coming back down. Should we risk decoupling? Okay, how much fuel do we have? Okay, we barely have any fuel. So, should we try and give a full orbit round? Okay. Jebediah, you're gonna be the first Kerbal to orbit the Earth. I think, hopefully. Let's see, we're a lot farther away. So maybe we can do the experiment again and see if we get anything new. Okay, we do. While in space high over Kerbin. Okay, nice. Log pressure data. We're getting some good science, guys. This will be awesome. Let's keep the experiment for now. And we have enough. Okay, we have enough, hopefully have enough fuel so we can go back. Definitely not here. This is a lot of distance. Look how far away we are from Earth. Oh, look at the moon. That's gonna be our next objective, hopefully, guys, to reach the moon. Look at the sun. This is crazy. I've never done this before, guys. So I'm excited. I thought this was way harder than it has been so far. So for now, let's just keep going. Oh! And let's chill out so we can hopefully do a reintroduction back into Earth. We're gonna have to aim straight for Earth. And let's do a reintroduction maneuver. Okay, we didn't have any fuel at all. Okay, that's not good. We need to transmit our science data and hope that Kerbin can review data. Yeah, transmit. Not enough electric charge? What? Oh no! What exploded? Are we going back up or are we going back down? I don't know. Guys, let's decouple. Oh no. Jebediah, I think you may be on your own, bro. No. We have nothing else to offer you but the hope of survival. Hopefully. Are you still going? Oh my god, Jebediah. Okay, looks like I don't know if we're gonna crash somewhere. Oh, we are. Okay. Slowly but surely. Hopefully Jebediah is still okay. Okay, we have a good maneuver scenario. What is still alive of our data? Absolutely nothing. Okay. We may need to try this again to get that science data, but for now we're just glad Jebediah is still alive. Jebediah, you got this. We believe in you, bro. I think you're good. Yeah, Jebediah, you should be happy, bro. You're okay. Is that a lake? Oh, we're exploring unknown worlds. I did not get the electric charge, so maybe we need to add some electricity or generation or something to be able to transmit the data. Because for now... Oh! No way! Oh, I thought I messed up the parachute and that would have been so anticlimactic, guys. That's crazy. Okay, let's do the recovery. Okay, so that was mission success. We did have a good orbit, but we didn't earn enough science. So let's go back to the vehicle assembly building. And let's see if we can do anything to protect our science modules. Thermal. What is this? So can this protect our... Let's see. Can we put this over our, like... Is that how it works? Like we put it over our mechanical and science stuff? I don't know if that's how it works or if we're just gonna get pummeled. How does this work? What? I don't get it. How do we protect the mystery goo though? Could that work maybe? I don't know. Let's try that out. Let's see how that goes. Because we need that extra science. And let's try our launch again. So it has been a very manual labor launch. Not very automated, but still. We are learning, and that's what matters. So let's try and go again. Let's turn on the SAS. I think that's gonna help us stability assist, yeah. Oh, the radiator panels are making us go to the side. No. Stop. Let's decouple and let's try again. Or let's... This was not a good mission, guys. Let's decouple. And let's try again. Yeah, I don't know what I was thinking with the radiator panels like that. What can we do to better protect our science equipment? Let's go back to the vehicle assembly. I'm guessing the problem was that we really did not balance the radiator shields, so let's get rid of you. Oh wait. What? How do you even work? What? Activate radiator? Do you consume electricity? I don't know how you work. Okay. We need to at least add 2 of these like this. Hopefully. Could that work maybe? I think it's symmetrical, so let's try and save it again and let's launch and see if that's better. I don't know, guys. I don't know. Let's see. Okay, the radiators consume electricity, so let's shut down. Okay, it's looking much better. Okay, it's okay, we're good. Nope, we're not good. Or wait, we could be. Let's wait. Let the SAS do its job. Let's raise our thruster and let's activate the engine. And we're gonna wait until we're at around... We had around 70, I think, last time. We can probably do just a tad less. Let's see. Let's raise the time a bit. I think we can shut down the engine for now. And then let's do some maneuvering. Okay. We can stay here in the line. Wait. And then do the full thrusters back up. Okay, looks stable enough. Let's see if our orbit is building. Okay, looking good, guys. Would really love to have some more fuel to go back if possible. So let's be aware of our fuel. And as long as we see the full orbit, we stop. How much fuel do we have? Okay. Are we full orbit yet? We're not full orbit. We need to keep going. Okay, we're full orbit. Okay, now we wait until we get here to our high space. Nice. Okay. Slowly but surely now. And then we can check and see our little mystery goo compartments. Okay. I'm scared, guys. This is gonna be our final try for these science experiments. And if not, we're just gonna have to keep grinding. Log temperature. Where's our barometer? Log barometer. Okay. I think we're good. And let's just keep going. And let's see if we can maybe prepare ourselves for... Let's decouple. Wait, no! The fuel was in the other one. Oh no. Am I doomed? I think I'm doomed. Am I just gonna stay here forever? Wait. I think we could be falling. Let's push through, guys. Let's stay like that. And let's activate the radiator. Now. Oh no. I don't think this is how it works, guys. But it's okay, we're pushing through. We're pushing through. Okay. Oh, I think some of them survived. Wait, okay, let's see. Okay, the temperature is okay. Did we just lose the mystery goo that wasn't protected by the shield? Let's go, guys. Okay, it looked horrible, but it worked. Nice. So let's just wait and prepare our parachute. Guys, that was a successful mission. We're gonna get so much science from that. Let's go. Guys, I'm proud of us. We've come so far. Just 2 episodes. We already have a full orbit. We got some good science data. I'm proud of us, guys. I think next stop is we're gonna try, and maybe either I get some more science off screen because I don't know how that could work, or we try to get some more science in the next episode to maybe prepare for the moon. So those could be 2 possibilities. If you have any preference for that, let me know down in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Let's get our science. Nice, guys. We got 48.5 science earned. Let's go to research and development and see what we have. Advanced rocketry. Oh, these rockets look very good. Nice. Okay. Crew cabin, strut connectors, decoupling. This is more structural. What are you? Aviation. Okay, interesting. We don't have any planes or shuttles yet, but it's okay. And basic science. Could any of these give us more science? Oh yeah, look, the science laboratory, experiment storage unit. Okay, this could be interesting. We'll evaluate for now because we only have 82, so we can only get 1. We'll think about it, and next episode we're going to choose, guys. So thank you so much for watching this edition. This is the 2nd episode of our Saturday series on KSP. So you already know the drill. If you would like to keep supporting the channel, I will leave a new video for you to watch right now, as well as a playlist for the series. Thank you so much for sticking around. If you've been enjoying the content, please consider subscribing, and I hope you have a great day. Thank you.